Hello everybody. So in today's tutorial I'll be showing you guys how you can use AI features on Canva, which is the cutout features. So if you are not using Canva Pro, you can't have access to these particular features. So if you need how to get the pro version, just enter my DM. I'm going to teach you how to get a pro version, Canva Pro version. So let's just search for something on Canva. Let's search for maybe a flyer or thumbnail. Like I said, you need the pro version before you can use these particular features. But if you're struggling on how to get a pro version, just reach out to me. So let's search for thumbnail. Let's just search for thumbnail, and so that we can use the particular features. So let's just search for a particular design. So I want to go with this. So let's just try to use the feature. So it's an AI features on Canva that you can use right now. So just click on this particular design and let's wait a bit for it to load. Or if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you do that right away. So let's try to cut out this woman at the background. What you're seeing at the background is not an overlay. The picture is not overlaid on the background. The picture is the background itself. So we are trying to cut. Let's try to cut out the woman itself. So it's an AI features that we are trying to use right here on Canva. So you can use these particular features to cut out anything you want to cut out on Canva. So let's just click on the background. Once you click on the background, then you click on edit. So let's wait for it to load a bit. Let's wait for that to load. So you can see a lot of features you can use. You can use image grab. If you want to grab an image or text, it's all there. So at the other side you will see image grab, you will see text grab, but we are not using text grab, we are using image grab. So let's just click on image grab. So after clicking on image grab, so you will see two features right here. You can use the brush and you can use click. So you can simply click on what you want to do or use the brush, but I love using the brush. So click on the brush and try to expand the brush. Try to expand the brush. So you're just going to drag your cursor on what you want to cut out, as you can see. So just try to map out the sections you're trying to cut out on Canva. So after mapping out, just click on this other side, grab, then let's wait a bit for that to grab our image. So let's just wait a bit for that to load. So as you can see, we have that already. You can see I can easily move the image around. I can move it all around. So let's just grab it. So you can use it in any other design. Just go back to the image you just grabbed. So just click on copy text. You can just copy it or click on copy or copy style. So just come and click on this part and paste it here. As you can see, we have it right here. So you can just save your design and you can use this particular cutout in any place you want to use it for. You can save it for usage anywhere and anytime. Like I said, if you don't have a pro version, you won't be able to use this. So I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye guys.